Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time stopping by, I'm trying to look at the lens, but I keep looking at the mirror screen like. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time stopping by, welcome. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and yeah. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. I know I've not been the best when it comes to making videos this year. Like, I think I'm literally the most inconsistent YouTuber ever. Anyways, thank you for sticking around. Today I'll be making a review video. I'll be going to get my nails done. I have a nail technician, but these days he's so busy. Like whenever I go to the salon, he's always absent, and he has people there, but they always increase the prices. Like the last time I was there, I was like, you know what, I'm not doing it again. So since he's always busy, I decided to just get a new person. So today I'll be going to a new nail salon, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. Like I always say, when it comes to reviews, not just what you're getting, it has to do with the environment, their service, like how nice they are to you, and yeah, still what they're doing for you at the end of the day. So without further ado, let's get going.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it
all night, so make a man one holler. Anytime I see ya.